Okay, so I have made a couple more categories there to look at. From this location, we can, of course, delete, edit the settings, which is just changing the name again, and move them in and out a little bit, which means that we can have sort of subcategories when you look at it. So I'll move one out now. Okay, only one location. All right, so we need to add some questions. Click on the category, straight into the question bank. So we want to create a new question. Now, as usual, I'm going to do description and multiple choice. Let me do it as quickly as I can. Description in category 1, and then we add the information, of course. And that's your description done. Okay, so there was one there. We can edit from this location. From this drop-down menu, we can change it to draft, so it can't be used in a quiz, and then edit, duplicate, manage tags, preview history, things like that. So let's create another question, multiple choice. Go. Text. How many 1, 2, 3s? General feedback, if you want to give it. Here you can change it from one answer to multiple answers. If you're asking a question that requires students to click 3 of 7, please make sure that you include that in the instructions. So if one answer only, you can shuffle the A, B, C, D. If you write D, all of the above, make sure you turn this off. Okay, I like the choices to be not numbered, but you can change that to one of those. And show standard instructions. Yes, I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so answer 1, that is correct. So give that 100%, and the feedback is okay. And choice 2, not correct. Choice 3, add your feedback. And of course, make choice 3 if they choose it worth 50% if you want to. Okay, there's some other things you can do with combined feedback and the general feedback above as well. But for now, let's just make it short. Save changes. So we have 2 questions in category 1. One of those is a description, one is the MCQ. Let's just duplicate that. Make your life easier. So let's change the name to 2. And then we add some more information. And we can go with the same answers. That's fine. You, of course, will do a much better job. Save changes. So now you have 3 questions made. And of course, you can edit, delete. Okay, I hope that helps.